In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly with Apple Mail on your iPhone. This handy tool can significantly improve the clarity and correctness of your emails by catching those pesky grammar mistakes and spelling errors. Let's dive into the process so you can start composing your emails with confidence. First things first, we need to get the Grammarly keyboard on your iPhone. Head over to the App Store, which holds a treasure trove of apps ready to enhance your device's capabilities. In the search bar, simply type Grammarly keyboard and press search. Once you see Grammarly keyboard in the results, tap install to download the app. While it installs, know that this step is setting the foundation for a more polished email experience in Apple Mail. Now that the download is complete, open the Grammarly app. If you're new to Grammarly, you'll need to create a free account. This process is straightforward and essential for personalizing the suggestions you'll receive. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. By doing this, you'll gain access to Grammarly's comprehensive resources and personalized recommendations. The next step involves some quick settings adjustments. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings from your home screen. Once there, tap on General and then Keyboard. In the keyboard menu, select Keyboards and tap on Add New Keyboard. This is where you'll integrate Grammarly with your device's default options. Find and select Grammarly from the list of third-party keyboards. You'll want to tap it again to ensure you have the permissions set correctly by allowing full access. This might seem a bit technical, but it ensures that Grammarly can provide you with real-time suggestions as you type. Don't worry, your privacy is protected. This access simply lets Grammarly function at its best. With Grammarly now part of your keyboard lineup, it's time to see it in action within your Mail app. Open Apple Mail and start composing a new email. To switch to the Grammarly keyboard, look for the globe icon on your keyboard. A little tap is all it takes to toggle between keyboards. Once switched, you'll notice Grammarly's familiar suggestions and corrections popping up as you type. Now, as you draft your email, Grammarly actively works behind the scenes, offering grammar and spelling improvements along the way. With each keystroke, you'll get the guidance needed to make your message clear and error-free, giving you peace of mind that your communication is both effective and professional. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated Grammarly into your Apple Mail, enhancing your email experience with smart suggestions and corrections. Enjoy writing with confidence and clarity.